One of the questions I get asked the most is, what can I do for protection? And there's a lot of different correct answers because there are different kinds of things that we need to protect ourselves from. I think one of the most important ones being family dynamics. There's nothing like being back in family dynamics for pushing our buttons. Okay, let's do a little bit of a demo again. Without family dynamics, just me.
That's good.
Okay, all right.
Family dynamics.
It was like
Just a thought.
So I made these earrings in an emergency situation after a taekwondo tournament that actually left me with adrenal fatigue syndrome. And this turquoise has been my friend. It's over 20 years now that I've been using this. And I made this necklace to go with it. It really is my armor. And then I've also bought these. The great thing with turquoise is that you can easily get lots of beautiful rings as well. And that also creates a screen as you're trying to interact and protect yourself at the same time. Turquoise, fantastic protection. So Mary Beth, put your feet a little closer together. Turn this way. Good. Now put your hand out. And I'm going to try and push it down, and you're going to try and resist me. In a moment, I'm going to push from the top. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Nice and strong. Good. So relax a moment. And now let's do that again. And now I want you to think about family dynamics and getting together with family and dealing with family. Whoa, that just weakened you, that thought. So now I want you to hold the turquoise necklace in that hand over there. Just hold it down nice and relaxed. Good. And now put this hand up again. Good. And you're going to resist me again. And I'm going to say, think about family dynamics and so much stronger. Thank you, turquoise.
Love it.